and it's a casual brack? No.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, I am Prakriti and today I'm back with yet another haul video. And just a moment, if you haven't subscribed me, please do consider subscribing, like it motivates me to make more of such content. So this time it's a West Side haul and I bought all of these products from Tata Click, which is also like one of those apps like Mintras which have products from various brands. And yeah, all of the products are under 550. So like I was also surfing through the app and this offer caught my eye, wherein the offer said that buy two get one, and additionally we got 30% off on individual products. The offer was not clothing specific only, but we could buy products from, be it accessories, be it home decor, be it other stuff. So like this deal was so exciting that I bought so much of stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what all I got and let's just hop into the video. So starting off with the first purchase, and here is the tan colored flared pants. Like this is such a universal color, like you could wear this and pair it up with various different colors and it would look really good. Like it has a zipper thing which like fits you really well. And yeah, it's from the brand Nuon and I'm in the size 26 and it retails for 12.99. But guess what, as I was telling the offer, so I got it for flat 535 rupees only. Yeah, like it's of a very good quality. And if I in particular talk about the zipper, like the zipper is also really smooth. It's not at all like flimsy or anything of that sort. I like this one in particular because it's like a must have in your wardrobe, because it could be used in so many ways. Like you could style it in a western wear wherein you can tuck in your shirts or t-shirts and wear it in that way. You could style it in Indo-Western way. You can just put a shrug or a jacket over it. It would look really good. You can even wear it as a plazo over a kurta. So it could even be used as an ethnic wear. So it's a very universal product and yeah, I like this. So the next product is also from the brand Nuon and it's a casual black bodycon dress and this is how it looks like. And it has this belt detailing at the waist with green color and something is written like awesome hit or something, and it's like really good, and it's a very casual piece and you could wear this dress whenever like you are out with your friends and having a chill time with them. You can wear it at that time. And yeah, I'm in the size S and it retailed for 12.99 and I got it for 535. So the next product is one of my favorite purchases from this haul and it's this navy blue colored cropped jacket. And this one in particular, like I have been eyeing since so long, and as it said that sabr ka phal meetha hota hai, and I have got like this retails for, let me see, it retails for 14.99 and I got it for just rupees 535. मतलब किसको नहीं पसंद डिस्काउंट पे प्रोडक्ट्स लेना. And yeah, this was a steal for me at least, and this has this click buttons which are very easy to put, and it has this hoodie also which is like an add-on for this jacket. And I like the color and the material of it and it's very good, and it has these two drawstrings at the end like to tighten and fit it to the waist properly, and you could wear it by folding the sleeves as well. So yeah, I'm very happy with this purchase, and yeah, as you can see it on my face. So moving forward, next is this cropped white top. Like I personally got this because of this only, like out of line, which is written in a quirky font, and I like these kind of t-shirts on which like certain texts are written, and it has a strip going on all over the sleeve on both the sides, and the same thing is written like out of line, and it looks so nice and decent whenever you wear it. And it's from the brand Nuon. Yeah, again, like I should stop mentioning the brand. Like every product I have bought, I think it's from the brand Nuon only. So yeah, it retails for around 6.99 and I'm in the size S, and I got it for around 300 or something. So yeah, I liked this one. So talking about my next purchase, and it's the top that I'm wearing right now, and it's a turquoise colored cropped hoodie t-shirt. And like this time, like tie-dye बहुत ही ज़्यादा famous है, so I thought why not get one for myself. And yeah, I liked the color of it. It's so fresh, and it has this 3/4 long sleeve, and yeah, it retailed for around 9.99, and I got it for just rupees 400. So initially I was thinking to get like this tie-dye t-shirt only, but then as I was surfing through the app, came across this pink and white tie-dye t-shirt, and like I was instantly attracted to it. And the thing that attracted me was this music waves that is written on the t-shirt. And like, if you don't know already, I personally like singing and music, and what else is better than having a t-shirt for the one that says the same. So yeah, I liked this one, and it's from the Studio Fit range, and I'm in the size M, and it retails for around 599, and I got it for rupees 265 or something. And yeah, I'll wear this in gym or somewhere whenever I'm going out, and I liked this one. So the next is a top, and it's this kiss no
Oh my god! Wow!
So the next purchase is a top, and it's this crisscross v-neck stripy top. Like, this has green and yellow stripes going on all over the top, and it has this ruffle sleeve ending, as well as it has the same ending on it, the hemline. And yeah, this top would look amazing on you because it has this elastic thing which like fits you very well. And yeah, I liked this one, and it could be worn on high waist jeans, and it would look really very elegant. And it's from the brand LOV, if that's right. Yeah, it's from the brand LOV, and I'm in the size XS, and it retailed for 1299, and I got it for 535. So yeah, I liked this one. So my last and the final products from the clothing section is this olive green colored t-shirt, and I got this personally for gym purpose only. Like, it's from Studio Fit, and I'm in the size M, and it retailed for around 799 or 899, and I got it for 500 only. So yeah, it has this pocket thing going on the front side, like it's interconnected, but it's like very good. You can keep any stuff here. And it has this hoodie. Like, I personally like t-shirts which have hoodie. It like makes you look more cooler. And it has this white and black sleeves which has this legend written on it, and it's of a very good quality. So like, moving forward, the next two items are like random stuff like that I got from Westside Home. And talking about the first one is this mat set. Like, it's a pack of 6, and it's like floral printed, and it's of a very decent quality. And yeah, it retailed for 799, and I got it for rupees 265 or so. And yeah, I liked the print of it, like it's blue floral print. So the next item is also from the Westside Home section only, and it's this blue colored bath towels. Like, it came in a set of 2, and like I have earlier also used their towels, and I liked their quality. So like, why not, I thought to get these towels on such a great offer. Like, it retailed for 499, and I got it for just rupees 200, and the size of it is very decent, and the quality, like, it's very soft in texture. So I like their towels, and yeah, I got this one. So yeah, moving forward with the last and one of my favorite sections, I must say, like, it's the footwear section. The first footwear that I got are these orange colored slip-ons. Like, it has this buckle detailing going on the strap. And yeah, it's from Luna Blue, and I'm in the size 36, and it retailed for around 999, and I got it for flat 535. Like, it was a steal, and it looks so nice, and at the same time they are so comfortable also. So yeah, moving forward with the next footwear, and this type of footwear, like, I don't have much of them in my footwear collection, and these are these ethnic sort of footwears, like strappy golden and tan colored footwear. And I ever since wanted कि मेरे को भी ऐसे ethnic sort of footwear मिल जाए जो like हम ethnic के साथ भी पहन सकते हैं and like normal western wear jeans के साथ भी पहन सकते हैं. It would go on both the type of outfits, or I must say any type of outfit. And yeah, this is also from Luna Blue. I suppose they have this brand only in their footwear collection, or like I have only got एक ही brand के products. Like whatever the case may be, it's from the brand Luna Blue and I'm in the size 36. And yeah, it's a very universal type of footwear. So the last and my favorite product from this haul are these pair of shoes, which are like peach in color, which has this popping golden detail lace going on over here, and it looks so nice whenever you wear it. And as you can see, it has this zigzag detailing also. It's casual at the same time funky also. So yeah, it is also from Luna Blue. As I told, I don't know, like I have only got this or there is only one brand there, and it retails for 14.99, and again I got it for 5.35. So yeah, this was one of my favorite purchases. So that is it for this video. Hope you liked it, and if you did, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe it with your friends and family members, and comment down below which among these were your favorites. And until then, bye bye, take care, and I'll be back with another video next week.